Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create background streaks effect for our video in CapCut Mobile. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to create background streaks effect for this video. So first of all, we can click on the effect and select the video effect. And on this video effect, make sure that you click on the superpowers category. And after that, we just need to find the background streaks effect, this one. Just click on this effect. And here is the effect, guys. And we can adjust the effect by clicking on the adjust button. You can adjust the horizontal effect and also the intensity. And I'm going to increase it like this. And after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay, and we can make this effect align with our video. We just need to drag it like this. And I guess that's how we can create background streaks effect for our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.